Well, good day, viewers. We have a 2011 Honda CR-V. It's here because the customer reported the check engine light is on. But as you can see, it's now off. He said it went off when he was about to bring it here. Now the TPMS light is on, and he just put his summer wheels on. I'm not sure if this is a passive system or an active system, but there should be a history code in it if the check engine light was on recently. So let's scan it and see what comes up. So I've worked on this vehicle before, so I'm going to activate the service record. And we'll do a network scan. I think Honda will let you do that while it's running. Put the mileage in later. Code scan. Pre-scan. So let's see what it has to offer. Maybe an evap code. Maybe AC compressor cycling on and off. Catalyst efficiency code. That's not a good code. Well, I'll pick up when we get to the end of this code scan. So here's the system report. Catalyst efficiency code was what was turning on the check engine light recently. And then he has 5 codes related to tire pressure sensor signal failure. I did scan it with the TPMS tool, and all 4 sensors are broadcasting and voltages are good. So maybe it needs to do a relearn. I don't think we're going to do anything with this catalyst efficiency code. I'm going to check for exhaust leaks, but that's about it. It seems to be on the threshold of pass-fail. So we'll see what we can do with this TPMS. So I cleared the code in the TPMS system, and he probably had a set of winter wheels on without sensors, and that's why the light was on. That seems fine now. I'm looking at oxygen sensor activity after the catalyst, and this is taken at a fast idle, no load, and it seems relatively flat lined, indicating the catalyst is actually working right now. And then when I took my foot off the gas pedal, it went lean, as you can see, and so did the air-fuel ratio sensor. But at the beginning it was switching a little bit. This was, mind you, the AC compressor was cycling on and off, so that was changing the load on the engine slightly. This has got 269,000 kilometers on it. I didn't realize it was that high a mileage, so the catalyst is probably a little on the decayed side, or not as effective as it should be, but we're going to let it go for now. If it resets that P0420 code, then it's going to get a catalytic converter, I guess. That's it. Short and sweet. Thanks for watching. Just looking through the history on this vehicle, and I see back in March of this year it was in here for a problem with the driver's door key cylinder. I think there was a broken wire or something, but it had a P0420 code in history at that time as well. Let's see if there's any other occurrence. This is why I keep a record of all the vehicle history. Yeah. January had a throttle actuator control system idle position not learned. Was probably frozen or something. But no catalyst efficiency codes back in January. Power steering malfunction. Let's see if I have any older scans of this vehicle. I don't think so. Oh yeah, July of 17. There was no catalyst efficiency codes then. Okay, so we're going to let it go.